So this is just a little sail I did, partly alone, part with Anna-Mari. Yeah, last August 22. Some very beautiful weather. My plan was to go to this little island about 5 hours away, and I left already at 5, so I was worried that it was going to get dark, but I ended up being on time. At first it was kind of cold, but then suddenly the sun came out and it was just like brilliant gold and super warm, super nice. Just fantastic sail, listening to Rega the entire way. It was nice because at this point I'd kind of gotten a better feel for sailing on my own. Just beautiful. The sun starts to really set, but I was already close, so it didn't worry me. At this point, I'd also become surprisingly okay at anchoring the boat on my own. A few times I also went ashore. I think I went ashore this time as well, yeah. There was a guy sort of waiting to help me at the island I was going to because there's some other boats there, and in the end I didn't need his help. I felt very proud, and he commented on how well I had come in on my own. I didn't reveal to him the last time I tried this I'd gotten the anchor line stuck on my outboard propeller twice. So here I was on this island and it got really dark, so the quality is pretty shite, so I stopped filming. But over there is a little boat, well, quite a big boat. My friend Esko texted me and said he was nearby, and they joined us and had some wine and food together, and then we decided the following day that we'd have a race to an island near Turku. He has a really beautiful, I think it's 1940s racing boat that was built for some Stockholm sailing club. So I wasn't feeling too sure of myself because I knew they had a lot of sail. But here they go. They had to go a little bit around because there's some rocks there, and I sailed behind them, and then we were off. And here they are with their magnificent sails up. And here I am with my little post stamps. But there wasn't much wind, and then soon I overtook them, and then I went back and I overtook them again, and then we realized that the contest was pretty much over. My friend Esko accepted defeat, and then we just sailed by each other for a while. I did circles around him and filmed the boat at different angles. It was just having fun. Esko shouted to me if I wanted to come for coffee, and so I said sure, why not? We hooked the boats up, cowboy style, and I dropped the sails and made sure my tiller was locked and made my way over, which is something I have never done, and it was super exciting. It was just a lot of fun. Felt like a little pirate. And it's just really bizarre to just see my boat on its own. So I had a few coffees there and chilled for a bit, and one of the last like nice sunny days of the summer, so it's very nice. And And so it was actually Muy Nice Tulien Yöt. So they asked if I wanted to come to another island with them. But I had to go and pick up Anne-Marie first, so I jumped back into my boat and set off. Told them I'd meet them later. And here I go again. Back to Turku. Very slowly. In fact, the wind died almost completely, but I was dead set on sailing because I really couldn't be bothered to put the engine on, and I also knew I wasn't in a hurry. I think Anne-Marie had work or something. So I just sailed at like 2 knots, you know, adjusting course every now and then, and just chilling, and I think I made a phone call as well. You can see how slow I'm moving. Then I don't think I used the engine to get back at all. I just slowly slid into our berth, tied her up, and picked up Anne-Marie. And then we were off again. Oh yeah. We got a private sauna after hours, free of charge, which is cool. And we got to see some fireworks as well. And yeah, I didn't get any filming done, but at night it really picked up and there was a lot of waves. And in the morning it was just, the wind had shifted, so it's coming more from the north, and we were on the north side of the island. So it's pretty rough. Yeah, that was it. This was one of the last sails of the season. It was just a really fun time. And it was time to go home. It was just a very quick one, so. This is actually the last time I saw Esko, because then came the winter. And put the boats up, and then we had a wonderful sail back. The wind really picked up, and we were really racing this time. It was a lot of fun. Compared to the very, very easygoing I'd experienced the previous 2 days, I was enjoying myself a lot, and just seeing how far we could push the boat. And this is Anne-Marie showing off her awesome filming skills.